Well, here we are, March 9th. It's the day after the storm, and it's one that everybody's going to remember. My kids will have a story for their kids, and it's what's coming down last night with the wind. 30 centimeters of snow, 31, 32, but the winds were up to 100 kilometers an hour, and this is what it's left. Just piles upon piles of wind-driven snow. And not just fluffy, powdery snow full of ice pellets that is really, really heavy underneath a little bit of powder that came after. And what they're doing is they're just sending the snowblower up and down the streets to open the streets up, because it's snowy. No newspaper. Gardner tried last night at 2. Was able to make a little path, but it was just too deep for him. So there you go. There's another Jeep. Seems to be the only thing that's going, even though I drove around and saw a lot of them stuck because they were just embedded in the snow from the plows or what have you. So there you go. Take a look. Look at that. It's like a ski hill in front of my house. And they haven't even come to do the shul parking lot yet. That's going to need an excavator to get through there. Well, that's it. And it's still windy. March 9th, 2008. The storm. Over and out. See ya on the other side.